Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you, like, when I wake up my hair kind of looks a little crazy, how do you re-blow dry it? I think that's a big question that people always think, I have to wash my hair every day. You do not have to wash your hair every day, but what I do is I comb it first. Get those knots out, comb it. See, you want these soft, pretty curls, and I could just adapt my hair to that soft wave instead of kind of crazy, or I could make it more curly. I kind of blew dry my bangs already, but I just want to show you how I did them. See that cool, like, this is like a more soft wave, but I like it curly, so let me show you how I did my bangs too. I took this front, I don't even have to do because I did it already. All right, you take about that big of a piece. Sometimes I even like to go back further, like halfway, and just grab it all. Anyway, I'll grab it. I have the blow dryer here, and then I just take those ends, get those ends, get those ends, get those ends. I just blow dry, blow dry, blow dry. Okay, now after I'm done with that, I take the blow dryer on and I just blow dry it all around to kind of break that imprint up that I just did pretty strong. You know, and then it comes out cute, you know, and then I take this back part because I always want this whirl, so it's not a whirl. Okay, I will take this, get it on there, and I'm gonna pull it a little forward. You pull it forward, get those ends. See those little ends? Get those ends on that brush, nice and tapered in there. Then you can roll that, blow dry, blow dry. I'll put it on real quick. Now I'm going to take the next section of the top. And really it's almost like 3 sections, super easy. I'm going to get those ends. And I make sure it gets right to the ends because I felt it. Just blow dry it. I'm going to go on the back side and get those ends too. Now I'm going to come to the end. Grab those ends. Grab those ends and let it out. Okay? Take your blow dryer. Yeah, it just gives me a little more lift and fullness there. Now let me teach you and show you what I do with the sides. All right, this is my Day Day. Love Debunks products. They're from Italy. And let me tell you, they are amazing. They grow their own ingredients on their farms, and it's called Farm to Shower. So I am really making it like a damp sponge. Get that hair, get that hair. And I want to go inside a little bit. Make sure you got it enough because you really want to make sure you get those ends so they get curly again. Yeah, that's gonna be good. Okay, now I'm gonna scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. And when it dries, it looks beautiful. I'll take a picture after it dries. I want a little more right here. So I can scrunch it right there. There we go. And now I got it all. Good, and now I'm gonna do the other side. Get underneath. Get those ends. I shake the Day Day up again. It's great vitamins for your hair. It's like lotion to the skin, to the face, and to the hands. This is lotion for the hair. Fills in all the potholes if you have a lot of color. I just got my hair all highlighted at my salon, of course, and it was a team effort, team project. I think 5 of my girls worked on my hair. Some started in the back, but then they got busy, so then I had one of the other girls come and do another part of my hair, do another part. But see, the best part is I had a pattern. So it was very easy to do my hair because I just had everybody, as soon as somebody picked up, I told them exactly what the pattern was. 2 slices and a weave. Back to back, all 3 of those. And then it came out really cool. I love my hair. I'm super happy with it. I just wanted to be a winter blonde. Look how nice that's coming out curly, right? Make sure you get those ends. Damn sponge. Damn sponge. And then I let this dry, and it dries so nice, and it kind of goes. Now I'm going to do a little in back. Get underneath. And I get the bottom again one more time. So everything is really crunchy. Very crunchy. And you can take a towel Towel just sets it a little bit more. So watch it before. Put it all in there and hold. Just hold it. See how it just imprints it and holds it better? And just squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Yeah, good. And then you can do the back and you're good to go. And then you just put your makeup on and voila, you're done. And then you can put a little hairspray. If you want to tease it a little bit, you could just kind of mess it up a little. I like to keep my hair a little just more natural looking, but I love the fullness. So there we go. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you could do it to your hair too, and I know you can. Listen, you got this. Have a great day. All right, so here we are. See how it's drying now? I love it. It just dries so soft and so beautiful with a beautiful curl. Just keep scrunching it a little bit, you know, but it's just an easy way to make your hair just have a little volume, a little bit of fun, soft, docile curls. Just scrunch, scrunch. And listen, I had product in it from the day before, so that's why you don't have to wash your hair every single day. You just put the product in the first day, wash your hair, condition it, and then you get out, towel dry your hair real good, put in good products. I use Curl Cream by Davines. It's called Curl Building Serum. And then I'll use a little bit of, it's like a thickening spray by Davines as well. And then I just scrunch it in there. It's called Curl Scrunch or Curl Serum or something. I mean, it's a spray and it just says curls. There's only one product that they have for that. So, and then the next day you just put the D-Day in there, those beautiful vitamins, and then you're good to go. And it just dries. It really took maybe 7 minutes for me to do my hair. So you don't have to wash it every day. That's the point. Have a good day.